Has anyone noticed in a beer advert, not one man has a beer belly? So those two guys from the Foster's advert are so slick, so toned, even though if you did drink beer every day, you wouldn't be like that. You would have a beer belly. Apparently, the myth of man flu is not actually a myth at all. Men actually suffer from diseases more frequently and for longer than women. A team from the University of Cambridge believe that this is because they developed more aggressive and adventurous behaviour at the expense of their immune system. Research has actually shown that fat men are happier than thin men. I don't know why, because it tends to be the complete opposite for women. But they just are. They just tend to be jollier than thin men. On average, a man will spend 140 days shaving in his life. Have you ever wanted the ultimate orgasm? This is just aimed at men, not women. Apparently, if you don't do any sexual activities for 3 weeks, you will get the ultimate orgasm. Because that is the amount of time it takes for your testosterone levels to peak. So try it and comment below and tell me if it did or not. Have you ever wondered where the word testify comes from? Testify to the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, help me God. It's actually come from the Roman courts, where men, instead of swearing on the Bible, they would swear on their testicles. So what would happen if they lied? Okay, all the women out there, just so you know, Spain, Brazil and Italy produce the best lovers, and that's according to a global research site on onepoll.com. Sorry guys, but according to a survey conducted by Intel, 46% of women would give up getting laid for 2 weeks than turn off their laptop and not have internet for 2 weeks. Bummer. Also, if you're trying to chat up a Hawaiian girl, if they have a flower, and they're right here, well not in their ear, but in their hair, above their right ear, it means they're available. Also, the bigger the flower, the more desperate she is. According to a study, children laugh about 400 times a day, whereas adults, on average, only laugh about 15 times a day. I think I laugh about 20 times a day. 25. This is a cute one. 2 in 5 people will marry their first love. That's sweet. That's sweet. Men are more likely to remember the number plate on their first car than they remember the girl who they had their first kiss with. 66% of people kiss with their eyes closed. You other 34% of weird people take pleasure in watching the emotions that run through their partner's faces. That's weird. People are also more likely to tilt their head to the right when kissing, which is about 65 people prefer to go to the right. Again, this 35%, what's wrong with you? 8 out of 10 people believe they can tell the rest of their relationship will be like from their first kiss. I mean, if that was true for Bella and Edward, then they would not have got together because their entire relationship would have been very awkward, even though it is fairly awkward. So I guess that was right, actually. Just a random fact to end you with. Yawns are more contagious depending on how close the relationship between you and the person who yawned. I hope you enjoyed those interesting facts as much as I enjoyed finding them. The links of all the websites I use to find these random facts are down below, because I don't want to take responsibility for them, because I don't know if they're true. Thank you for watching, and I'll make another video sometime soon when I think of something interesting to talk about or something interesting to do. Thank you, and good night.